Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Judo alone. Begin by studying the foundational principles of Judo, such as Kyuzashi, which is breaking an opponent's balance. Concentrate on mastering basic stances and footwork patterns through repetitive solo practice. It's crucial to learn how to fall safely, so dedicate time to practicing various breakfalls on a soft mat to prevent injury. This initial focus builds a strong, safe base for your solo training. Next, move into solo drills to simulate techniques. Shadow uchikomi, or repetition of entry movements for throws without a partner, is essential for muscle memory. You can enhance your grip strength by using a towel wrapped around a sturdy object, practicing different grips and pulls. Consistent footwork drills, like moving in specific patterns, will significantly improve your balance and speed, which are vital for effective Judo. Physical conditioning is paramount for Judo. Focus on building a strong core with exercises such as planks, crunches, and Russian twists to support your throws and movements. Incorporate plyometric exercises like jump squats and box jumps to develop explosive power, crucial for executing techniques. Regular stretching, both dynamic before workouts and static afterward, will improve your flexibility and range of motion, helping prevent injuries and enhance performance. Finally, cultivate your mental game and plan for progression. Regularly visualize yourself performing techniques perfectly and strategizing during a match. This mental rehearsal is incredibly powerful. Watch high-quality instructional videos to observe proper form and gain deeper insights into Judo principles. While solo training is valuable, eventually seeking a qualified Judo dojo will provide essential partner practice and expert guidance to truly advance your skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.